Hey, what's going on, guys? Hunter here, and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you guys are tuning into my channel, what I do here is I make reviews, unboxings, first impressions, weekly fragrance rotations, and things like that. So if you guys love fragrances as much as I love fragrances, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. But as you guys can see in the title above, we actually have a special unboxing for you guys here today. And the fragrance we're going to be unboxing here is actually Tom Ford's Mandarino Di Amalfi, guys. I am actually very excited to do a first impression of this fragrance. Now, to let you guys know, this is actually my girlfriend's fragrance. She's already opened like the cellophane and stuff, but we just got this today, not too long ago at all. I have not really smelled it or anything like that. So I'm just gonna open it up, do a first impression for you guys and tell you what I think about this fragrance here. So let's go over the presentation of Tom Ford Mandarino Di Amalfi really quick. So on the top, you have the gold TF for Tom Ford, which actually looks pretty nice. And the box also has this nice like texture feel to it, which is very nice too. And on the front, of course, you have the name of the fragrance, Mandarino Di Amalfi Acqua, and it is in the 100 milliliter bottle. And this is a eau de toilette. Now, the difference between this and the Mandarino Di Amalfi, the original, is this is just pretty much just the eau de toilette of the eau de parfum version of that. So yeah, let's look at the bottom here. As you can see, there's just have the barcode right there on the back of you have the ingredients. Now the packaging is a little bit different for the aquas. Usually like the private blends come in a different box where you like pull the top of it and the fragrance sits on the bottom of it, but this is just a normal kind of fragrance package like any other fragrance usually. So let's pop the top here. You have Tom Ford embossed right there as well, if you can see that. Okay, now this bottle, guys, is absolutely beautiful, I'll be honest. Let's take a look at this here. Set the box to the side. And here is the 100 ml bottle of it. And wow, this looks absolutely stunning, guys, especially in the light. As you can see, it has this nice frosted blue kind of vibe going on here with the gold Mandarino Di Amalfi logo right there as well. And then on the top, you of course have the Tom Ford gold plaque. And it looks amazing in this 100 ml bottle, guys. Usually for my private blends, I usually go for the 50 ml. This is actually my first time kind of having a 100 ml bottle to actually fill and look at, and this looks stunning in my opinion. And then on the bottom, you of course have your batch code to authenticate and see when your product was produced. And this is a May 2019 batch to let you guys know. And yeah, I believe my girlfriend actually got this on Neiman Marcus when they were actually having their sale like about a week or so ago. But this bottle here for the 180 ml usually retails for $180 for the Aqua version, guys. Let's open the top here. There's nothing inside the cap, as you can see. And then you have the atomizer right there as well. So let's spray this on and see what I think, because I did smell the original Mandarino Di Amalfi. I think it smells fantastic. This is a unisex fragrance, so both a man and a woman could wear it. But personally, my favorite out of the Aqua line is Costa Azzurra. I think it's the most masculine in my opinion. Let me know down below what your guys' favorite is from these versions of Tom Ford's. But yeah, let's spray this on really quick. And I can't smell it from the bottle, of course, because she already did spray it herself. So let me spray it on me and see what I think about it. Okay, let's test out the atomizer. Wow, okay, so it is, of course, the Tom Ford Private Blend Atomizer. If you are familiar with that, it does put out a pretty decent mist. Not the best by any means, but it's definitely not bad whatsoever. So yeah, I do smell it, guys. Wow, this is so good. Oh man. So of course you're gonna get mandarin on the top, a lot of mandarin actually. Wow. It also has like a floral vibe because it does have flowers in it as well, which pretty much gives it like a feminine kind of touch. Even though it's not too feminine, in my opinion, I could pull this off. I think a bunch of guys could, to be honest, like in the summer, a nice hot day. It also has spearmints as well, so it gives it a nice like cooling, minty kind of feel in a hot summer day, which is always great in my opinion. And wow, guys, this smell is absolutely amazing. It just smells like being on vacation, walking around on the beach on a nice 100-degree day. Oh man. I'm actually going to be wearing this as well. She might get mad at me when I just take it and spray it on me, but yeah, this is definitely a go. Ooh. Now, compare it to the Mandarino Di Amalfi EDP, the original. This smells pretty much identical, guys. to be honest with you. If you smell that one, this one smells pretty much the same, just in eau de toilette concentration instead of eau de parfum. And I actually, from my experience, just recently when she put it on, I almost think that the eau de toilette, the Aqua, performs, well not performs, but projects better than the eau de parfum. Usually it's how it works versus EDT versus EDP. Usually EDTs project better than EDPs, but of course the eau de parfum would last longer. But I mean, in the summer, usually citrusy kind of fragrances don't usually last that long. So I mean, you can always just reapply throughout the day and whatnot. That won't be a problem whatsoever. And yeah, guys, this is a great summer fragrance. If you guys are looking for a summer fragrance, I mean, you can get the 50 ml, I believe, for 120. I don't know. I think it's $127 retail and 180 for the 100 ml, which is obviously a much better bang for your buck than the original, which I believe is $245 for the 50 ml and $325 for 100 ml of this. So it's a pretty huge difference, 180 to $325 for 100 ml of Mandarino Di Amalfi or the Aqua version. But yeah, you cannot go wrong with this at all, guys. Wow. My girlfriend absolutely loves this fragrance. When she smelled the original, she just had to pick this one up. So she's probably gonna be wearing this quite a bit here coming up in the hotter months here in Ohio here very soon. And me personally, I might actually go ahead and pick up the Costa Azzurro, which I love, to try to get one for myself. But yeah, this is definitely a fantastic summer banger right here, guys. Let me know down below if you've ever smelled either the original Mandarino Di Amalfi or the Aqua version of it. I'm very curious. And I also believe this fragrance was launched in 2017, so not too old. So yeah, like what, 3 years old now? So it's not bad at all. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up the unboxing and first impression of Mandarino Di Amalfi. Comment down below what you think about this fragrance, if you tried it or not. And please like the video as well and subscribe if you guys have not. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.